All right, let's go. We just gonna break down the charts. I'm holding for the long term. I'm still got some cash flowing from US 30. I bought at the bottom. I'm up. I don't really care. I tried to buy again the other day. Took me out. Try to keep holding. Try to buy right here. Took me out. Whoop de doo. But yeah, and as you can see, price right here. Hopefully, you can see what price does around here. You see, I was trying to buy into right here, and then we even went higher. Boom, it did this, came back down. This was the low. We think it was gonna sell off here. Kind of did sell off. Wasn't really the best sell off. It did boom, boom, boom. Really a strong sell off because higher time frame always wins. Like we look at the four. You see how the four did boom, bam. It sells off, comes back. Never really breaks here, to be honest. See how it respects the four. The higher time frame you go, the more it respects it. So you can see it went here, came back down. So what can we do? So we just gonna analyze the higher time frame. Stop! This is the low, this is the high, higher time frame. As you can see, go to 4 hour. Let's make this a little, let's make this even smaller. And we might have to even make it even smaller. So as you can see, daily, high, low, high, high, low, breaks here, high, breaks out, comes up, try to sell here, you sell, almost hits here, doesn't want to go, comes back up, breaks out from here, comes here, probably go on a 4 hour, see what kind of structure it is, breaks here, comes back. This is where it broke out at, comes up here, buy here, comes back, sell here, comes back, and here. So I could see price was selling right here, somewhere here. This was the higher price. I would like price to come back over here so you could get one more buy and then just keep holding. Like I am up. Like let me see. Like if I look at the charts, like I'm just naturally just holding because I don't care. Like I'm up some profits. I'm really looking to re-enter because I knew. So like you see, look, price sells. Look, overall, it's a buy because look, higher time frame is telling me it's a buying. As you can see, look, higher time frame. Maybe it does sell. Boom, boom. Get the sell again, sell off. It buys, comes here, doesn't want to break, buy here again. Boom, break. It sells off, comes back, get buy, sell in, sell right here. It buys up, sell, sell, sell. But overall, look, this is buy. So granted, every time it even dips, you can really buy. So like this is a dip, you buy, boom. It dips, you buy, boom. It dips, you buy, boom. It dips harder, you buy again, boom. It dips, you buy. It dips, you buy. It dips, you buy. It dips, you buy. It's like anytime it dips, you can just buy low key. Like, and look at this. It dips, you buy. Boom, you up. You lost. It dips again. Buy. You're up. You lose again. It dips. You buy. Up, 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 up. Dips. You buy. Boom. comes here, dips, buy, come again, dips, buy, come again, dips, buy, come again, dips, buy. So what we can see is every time it dips, you can just buy. In all honesty, like if you want to make trading super easy, I am not trying to be on no funny stuff. If you really want to make trading like stop like losing and you just want like overall good profits, I would tell anyone just buy the dips of US 30, Nas 100, anything they got the best companies in, and then just buy the dips and just wait. That's what I did. Like I was tired of, trading every day. It dipped down, I bought it, and I just wait until it makes new high. It dips down again, I buy it, I wait. There's nothing else to do. Up 2 bands right now. What you want me to do? Buy the dip? Comes up, buy the dip, comes up, comes back down. We wait. If it does come back down, boom, we could buy it again. Wait. Just buy the dips and wait. So, like, granted, I'm not saying it 100% work because look, you'd have bought this. Like, say it came here, broke out. You bought this dip, come here. It could just come back down, boom, boom. But it's at least helping you. Like, so say you bought like a dip, like, boom, you buy like right here. 1, 2, 3, 3 days, 4, 5. You might be out of here. Boom. Might be out of here. You doom. Another dip. Boom. Comes up. Comes back down. Start moving up. Say you buy this dip. Buy. It's right here. Granted, it comes up. Doesn't want to break down. Comes up again. Do the dip right here. Say you might want to buy here. Buy. Boom. Comes down again. Comes by. Boom. Comes down. It's so easy. So with the daily, we noticing just buy stronger dips off US 30. It's not very hard because it always goes up. Anything that always goes up, just buy the dip. So it comes down. So what are we waiting for? Like, look at since April, it's been going up consistently. So what can we do? So our regimen is really buying. So even if you want to be patient, like sometimes, like you just have to be patient. Like don't try to trade the market always. Like you see how like boom comes here, breaks this new high, comes up, granted, boom, boom, boom. Granted, you can buy right here. Boom. Breaks this high. No, let's just work with it. You see a structure, it breaks high, it's coming down, starting to sell. Boom, sell, comes down. Boom, sell again. Boom, 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 boom. Sell to here. This is where it broke out. So it did a little buy action. So you probably could have sold somewhere here. Boom. But let's just say we only want to buy. So boom, we only want to buy. Boom, it sells off again. Boom, it comes here. Here, it breaks out for the buy, comes here, never really reached back up to the buys because this is where it broke out at. Like, look, broke out here, boom, came back down. Go to let's go to hour. So, like, boom, 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 boom. It buys here, comes back. By the time it's 7 o'clock, you probably miss it. But we would try to get some type of buys here. Go to 15. Let's just go to replay mode. Oh, you go to 15, but there was no type of buy momentum, as you can see. Because look, it breaks out here. Say you want to buy here. So all right, boom, sell. Like I said, hour came here. Once it broke out from here, the second time, boom, breaks out from here. So boom, breaks out from here. So what you will want, some buy momentum here, never hits. Go to your 15, you don't see no sell momentum to back to the buy momentum. It breaks this, comes back down. Boom. Like I said, just say you want to buy. Boom. So all we doing is marking up. Boom. Now it breaks out from here. Sellers is right here because why would it comes back down? Uh, boom, boom, down, down, down. Sold off again. Boom. In the market. Now down. Look where price is at. Sold off here. Let's go to 4 hour. See how the 4 hour is looking. We could place. Boom. So 1 hour. So we're still basically selling. There's no buying momentum, as you can see. No buying momentum whatsoever. So sometimes you have to be like very patient with the market. And that's what you have to understand. Sometimes you gotta look at the market. Hey, it could take 2 weeks. You not really even doing nothing. That's why I'm just in a super buy right now. So this patience is key. Like boom, look at this. Look. So sell comes up, break even, boom, comes up. So we go to we go to 5. So all right, we go to 15, boom, 7 o'clock, boom. So anything kind of below here, I don't really want it. I would want to change the direction. So we go to consolidation because this is like where we catch it. I would want like a change of direction, like boom to the change of direction. So anything, because from here, it could go to here at least. So I wouldn't want to trade this. And like I said, if you want to stick to buy, stick to buy. So boom, you don't see no change of direction to the sell, even though you can come here. So boom, it comes back down. What did it break down? It break down, comes back, comes here. Granted, you can sell here. It wouldn't be a bad sell. Maybe would have hit the stop loss, in all honesty. But where are you really taking this to? Here. Granted, it might could hit too, because look, boom, you enter, it might could hit. But I probably would have went break even. Girl, what are you yelling for? What? Alright, so you might could see it, you might can't. And like I said, let's stick to buys. So we go back to the hour. We see no buys. Everything over here, there was no buying momentum. Nothing told us this was a buy. So boom. Now it comes back up strongly. Let's go to 4. What can we see on the 4? We delete this. We can see if it breaks here, it's not respecting the sales no more. It's not respecting sales no more. It's not respecting sales no more. Because look, came here, comes here, buy. Comes here, buy again, wha-bam. Look, it's respecting it because look, it's not going nowhere. Granted, it's boom, buy again. Comes down, you buy. You just trying to follow the trend. Now it's like at a ranging point, boom. All right, now it's you would want to buy somewhere right here. Now, as you can see, 4 hour. So the hour is showing me, hey, this could be, the hour is telling me, hey, this can be a buying point right here. That's what it's telling me. It can be a buying point, but we're gonna see the sell. So boom, it breaks here. But now we look at the 4 hour. So the 4 hour is telling me it wants to buy. So what can we see? Price comes to here. You gotta remember, it's not New York time no more. Boom. So price comes here. Now we're back on the hour. You can see price comes here. Doesn't really break out. So boom. We could say it wants to sell off. Oh no 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 no. So now we gotta play this back. So price comes here. Boom. Let's go to 4 hour. So say boom. Comes down. So what can we see? We see price broke here. Stop! Four hour, it broke here. So the 4 hour is telling me from here is valid. So boom, it's here, here is valid. Boom, it's not wicking off. This is the highest it went. Now we go down. Boom, it breaks out here. Boom. Go to 5. Boom. Comes here. Sell off, doesn't want to go back down. Breaks out from here. Boom. So boom, anything above here now is right here. I don't know how this shit works. Every time I break calls, watch this. Watch this. So this is the daily. It's pretty easy. Anytime it goes above here, it's in a long trend. So just buy the dips or just be patient. This is like one of the easiest. Anytime it goes above here, it comes here. As you can see, it's kind of respecting it. Structure is not always beautiful. Look, well, bam, breaks out. It's kind of still holding up structure. So it's telling me it's not really breaking. All right, look. High, low, high. It's not really breaking. You see how it went down and it came back up? Then it came back down. Then it came back up. But granted, once it came above here, it went to here. So that's the difficult part that most markets would not get because look, say you want to buy here, you lose. Want to buy here again. If you stop loss here, buy here again. You might lose. But granted, it comes here. So when do we know when to buy? That's the main part. Because anything here can go to here. And it did. But look how much times we would have lost. Say we buy here, boom, we lose. We buy here, Boom, it comes back. Maybe we go break even. Who knows? But if we don't, we lose again. So we have to take this trade 3 times in order to win. And is it even worth it? Because if you really do a good stop loss, like so say from here to here, and then the stop loss, hey, you want to say maybe somewhere right here. That's still a bad stop loss. So what can we do? So this is the daily, this is the 4 hour. What how can we find a 4 hour difference? So boom. So this is the 4 hour difference. So boom. It comes here, comes up. It comes here, comes up. So the 4 hour difference is it's stagnant. Look, so boom, it comes here. We thinking it's buying, comes up. Stagnant again, comes up. So stagnant, boom. So say we buy daily one, boom, never really comes back. So boom, comes here, we buy here, boom, 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 boom. I don't know what the stop loss would be. Maybe you want a tight stop loss. Boom, you buy here, regret it. It does hit here. It does hit here this time. So boom, because you would still think this is sell. So boom, it's selling. Boom. So sell. Boom, comes here where it sold out here. Boom, it sold. It's not really, as you can see. Look, so you can see. So say this was the selling point. We want price to come here. After coming down from here, price doesn't come here. So look at this. Price doesn't come here. Price doesn't come back right here. So from here to here, this is what I wanted to see. Because look, really, not even from here. So like from here, because it came here, sold off, came down. So we could have waited to here. Boom, boom, boom. So anything from here, we will want price to at least come back right here. So boom, comes up. Boom. So this is the high when it came from here. It rose to here. Just keep that in mind. This is just points where the market can go. So this can go to here. This can go to here. So boom, it comes here. It's not telling me it wants to go. Sell off. Sell off. And it's not in the right predicament to trade. So it comes back here. You buy. Comes here. This is a point where market is kind of iffy. So look, you could have sold off here. You could have bought or sold off here. So buy here, boom, it wicks out, comes back, or you could have bought, sell off, and this is a good sell off point. So sell off, boom, but it makes equals. So once it breaks here, now we had a new high. What's the 4 hour? So we know from now to sell, from here to here, this is a buy. So comes here, sell, boom, comes here, sell off, boom, breaks here, then it breaks out from here. Breaks out from here. But look, boom, it already broke out from here. Comes back down. Doesn't want to break. Boom, 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 boom. So anything above here, you could have bought. And now, wow. Then you hold, you hold. Still might want to hold. Still might want to hold. Still really might want to hold. Then you probably could let go somewhere around here. Boom. Let go. So it broke out here. But what price came back? Boom. This was a super low. Boom. Remember anything from here? It went to here. 4 hour. It broke out from here. So granted, this can be a place where you can sell. So boom. Can sell off here. You're gonna see. Boom. Boom. Bam. Bam. It's not selling off. Breaks out. So boom. I like how this looks. It comes here. Doesn't really wants to sell off. Does sell off. So look. Does sell off. Wicks here. Comes out. Wicks here. Wicks here. Back to the selling. Look how much times it fakes me out though. That's why I don't like. Like, so look. So from here. So from here to here, it does comes back down. But look at this. So it comes back up from the 4 hour. But look at the daily. So the daily is from here. And it does buy here. It's not, and then it doesn't finish. So look, it's not. You see how it is? Doesn't finish. All right, look at this. It doesn't come back up. Look at this. Just look. The buys would. It's not like. All right, so boom. So say you do buy here. Boom, you buy. It comes up day 1. Day 2, it sits here. Day 3, it sits here. It's like it's just at a roadblock. Like it's not going up. Granted, you go to the 4 hour, we could probably see it. It's not going up. So you buy here, boom. Buy here, stop loss here. It comes here. Might want to go break even. That's why I say I like going break even and holding. But I am not to decide.
But that's what that.
So boom, this is it. So lower here comes down, comes back, makes the equal. Remember this. Remember this. Let's go to day. See how it looks. So day. So boom. Cover the day. So boom. Cover the day. Where's my rectangle? So boom. Comes here. Boom. Comes out as a little fake out. It comes here. Comes back. Kind of rips through. Like on an hour, it looks probably crazier. Like look, hour, boom, come sell, boom, 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 boom. So look, sell, comes back, sell again. Never really happened. Comes back up. So then sell again and sell. Comes back, buy here, buy, comes here, buy again. Never respect. Comes here. Boom, 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 boom. It's time. Boom, buy. Good look. So we go back to 4. So low. Sell, 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 comes up, sell, comes up. This is the high. So sell, comes up. There's really no really point of emphasis. Market really came up. It sold here, came back down, sold off here. I don't really like this sell too much. Like it came here. Like you really wouldn't know when to sell. Like granted, at most you probably could have did was boom. Cause look, higher time frame. All right, high, 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 sell. Boom, boom. You would never catch this. I don't know how would you catch this. Cause look, high, 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 break, come here. I don't even know how would you catch that. But it did break through. It break through. So what I would want to see from here. So boom. How much buys? But it came out from here. Boom, buys, boom. It has the capability of going here. Anything above here has the capability of going here. High, low, high, low, high. Start selling off. Anything has the capability of going here. 4 hour. Like I said, anything has the capability of going here. Boom, it comes here. Boom, never wants to come up. So it didn't go here the first time, so therefore it sold off. Didn't buy. Like look, buy, came here, sold off, came here, didn't want to go up, sold off. Came here, sold off, came here, sold off, came here, went here, came up, let's get it. So it can come here. It can come here. We just notice price can come here. The price can get to here. So what can we do? Look at the bots. I don't know. So now we go to the hour. Because the 4 hour is telling me from here, it goes to here. Now the 1 hour. 1 hour is telling me the same thing. Maybe from here, it sold off here, came back here. It's not breaking. because this one is stronger than that one. So sell here, doesn't want to sell off. See how it look. Boom. See how it comes here. Let's do consolidation. But anything from here can't go up to here. Go to 5. This is where we can enter from. So it went here one time. Boom. Comes here again. So all right, boom. It breaks out from here. Boom, boom. This is kind of respected. So what could we have did? Bought right here. Close our right here. Take the TP out to right here. So boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam. It hit here. Maybe you want to go break even. Maybe you don't. It comes back down. So it's the selling point for the hour is here. So boom, it sells off here. Boom. Go to 15. Boom, bam, boom, boom, bam. Breaks, comes back, breaks, come back. Maybe you do want to enter here. But I will be skeptical once it comes here. Probably would have closed out at break even. Boom. Like I said, anything got the power to come back up here. Stop loss maybe somewhere like right here. Boom. Bam. But still have the capability of coming here. Because what? It did it first time. You come here. Boom. Buy. Up. Buy. Could sell. Come right here. Can. That's what I see. And yeah. Gold. Gold has the capability of anything can come. Now let's look at gold. Anything can come right here. Anything. 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 Anything for money.
The difference between active duty and reservist is active duty is like the NBA, and then reservist is like, I don't even want to say WNBA. I want to say like the church youth basketball team where everyone gets an award just for participating. That's like the difference. Nice and slow. Nice. Marine combat vets are harder than Army combat vets. Pause. Because when an Army combat vet earns their CIB, that's like a participation trophy because they probably weren't even around actual combat. Versus when a Marine earns his. Difference between
So for gold, it's not really breaking here. Comes above. Has the capability of coming back up here. Comes here, comes down, comes here. This day, 4 hour. Like I said, we're on a higher time frame. If you just don't want to sell, like if you really just don't want to go with the trend, you don't really have to. Like, just don't sell. Just don't fucking sell. Like, look, it breaks out here. Like, look, breaks out here. What do you see? It comes here. What does it do? It comes right back there. Comes right back. Boom, breaks out here. Comes here. Boom, wants to go back higher. You buy. Comes right back here. Right back. So what is this? It's like a double whammy. So from here to here, from here, buy, here, ah, B, bang, boom. Could you tell? So from here, now, what hour? Hour, new high, comes here, breaks here, breaks here, comes back down. Like I said, the lowest of the low, comes here, boom, bang, boom, bang, boom. Look like it wants to go back up. Like, look, so look at this. Sell, boom, boom, sell, come, break, buy, sell stronger, boom, we're looking for another buy. Buy, doesn't really buy, come, comes up, comes, doesn't break, comes up, comes up, boom, sell, doesn't come back up, doesn't sell. The fuck is this? Is this hour? Okay, so we looking for the yeah, so hour, boom. Like I said, overall, you wanted to buy, boom, comes here. So overall, it looks like a buy. So I'm gonna just stick with the buys. So you come 5, go to 15. Let me see. Sell, comes up, sells off again, comes here, buy, comes here, buy, comes here, buy. This is nasty. So comes here, buy, comes here, buy, comes here, sell off, comes here, equal highs, comes here, boom. This is kind of nasty. I don't really like this at all. I don't like this at all. So like so say, where would I want to buy? Like, in all honesty, where would I have bought? So let's go to hour, maybe somewhere right here. You see it's equal, comes down. This could be a fake out, and it can just wow bang. Like, it's not really breaking, but if it does break, we want to get some type of bias up here. So it breaks here, comes down, comes here. This would probably be a somewhat okay buy. Comes here, boom, and then you probably would want to take it to like right here. Well, honesty, that's not a bad trade. I will. That's what something I would want to do because I'm seeing it. It's like or like okay, sell comes up, boom, breaks out the sell, breaks out. Or all right, I'm done. All right, end this shit.